How to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you have been wondering about how to hide your location on your Snapchat, your live location on your Snapchat, then you are in the right video. So what you need to do is first simply head over to your Snapchat application and make sure you are logged into your account, and simply click on your location at the left bottom corner over here. You can see, simply click on it, and once you're inside here, what it does is it basically shows your live location and other people's live location to the places where you have been or where you are right now live. And to turn it off, to turn off your location or simply go to ghost mode, what you need to do is simply click on this settings over here, and you can see there is an option called ghost mode. You can also read it: when this is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So simply turn it on, and it will ask you to your option up to how long do you want to be on the ghost mode. So you can also click on until I turned off options, which will basically keep you in the ghost mode until you turn it on back again. So let me just select 3 hours, just like this, and they won't be seeing any of your live location on this Snapchat application, just like this. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can use ghost mode on your Snapchat live location. So to turn it back on, you can simply click on this button again. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.